Well, you know, a geek like me just loves this show, CES 2020. It's a fascinating glimpse into the future of tech. There's so much to show you. So let's start off with the Lenovo Thinkpad X1 Fold. That's right, the world's first foldable PC. This new form factor can be used in a lot of different ways, such as unfolded to its full 13-inch size to stream a movie on its OLED display, or you can use the Bluetooth mini fold keyboard or active pen to work on documents. When bended, hold it like a novel to read ebooks, or you can be in a video call on one half of the screen while reviewing a presentation on the other. You get the idea. The Lenovo Thinkpad X1 Fold will be out by mid-year. Super cool. Next up, check out LG's Z10 8K TV. It's drawing huge crowds at its booth. It's LG's next flagship OLED TV that has 4 times the pixels, or dots, of a 4K TV, so more than 33 million pixels instead of 8 million for unbelievable clarity, as you can see here. Until 8K, though, becomes the new standard, this TV can upscale other content to near 8K quality. For gamers, the TV offers NVIDIA G-Sync compatibility for fast and smooth performance. No word yet, though, when the LG Z10 OLED will be out. All right, a few smart home tech products to get to. Flow by Moen Shutoff is like a security system for your water supply at home. It's a smart valve, if you will, that identifies problems before they become a headache, like if a pipe bursts or if a child left a tap running, sound familiar, and then automatically turns off the water supply before notifying you on an app. This Wi-Fi connected device detects flow rate, temperature, and pressure. It's again called Flow by Moen Shutoff, and it is available now for $6.99. There's no monthly fees, and home insurance providers may give you a discount if you have one of these. Now, speaking of smart home tech, this is the new Weber Connect Smart Grilling Hub. It's a first-of-its-kind grilling device that turns any grill into a smart grill. It doesn't need to be Weber. After downloading the Weber Connect mobile app, you simply insert the meat probes into your food, as you can see here. They'll wirelessly show you real-time info on the app nearby, like grill temperature, if it's time to flip your food, and desired doneness of your meat, and so on. It's like having your own personal grill master. Weber Connect will be available in early 2020 for $169. You can check it out at Weber.com. There's a ton of buzz here also about Wi-Fi 6. This is the next generation of Wi-Fi, as it offers up to 4 times the speed of current Wi-Fi. Plus, it can handle more simultaneous devices and with broader range. I really like this D-Link AX1500 Wi-Fi 6 router that I found because it's also mesh compatible. So that means you can add extenders throughout the home if you like for even broader coverage without needing any extra hardware. Plus, this D-Link model has easy parental controls. And it won't break the bank, as the AX1500 will be about $119 when it debuts next month. D-Link will have a full line of Wi-Fi 6 routers in 2020, in fact. All right, finally, tech is also changing oral care. This is the new Philips Sonicare Expert Clean rechargeable toothbrush that not only has integrated sensors in the handle so it knows how and where you're brushing, but it wirelessly sends a progress report to the Sonicare app. How cool is that? Basically, the app will help you see how much you've improved over time, assessing your brushing frequency, duration, and pressure. Expert Clean is now out and starts at $199. So as you can see, guys, no shortage of awesome tech here at the 2020 Consumer Electronics Show.